Hello and welcome back to the series of chakra activation where we perform asanas that activates one chakra at a time. Today we will practice asanas that will activate Anahata Chakra, the heart chakra. To begin with, our first asana will be Viparit Veerbhadrasana, the reverse warrior pose. Helps activate the Anahata Chakra, the heart chakra, by opening the chest and promoting emotional healing. The back bend in Viparit Veerbhadrasana opens the chest, allowing for deeper breathing and great heart space. By opening the chest and promoting deeper breathing, this pose can help release emotional blockages and promote a sense of peace. Reverse warrior pose directly impact the Anahata Chakra, which is associated with love, compassion, and emotional balance. Viparit Veerbhadrasana encourages a mindful practice that can stimulate the Anahata Chakra by opening the chest, promoting deeper breathing, and fostering emotional healing. Moving on to our next asana, that is Ardha Chandrasana, the half moon pose. The lateral extension opens the chest, promoting better breathing and reducing tightness, which can help relieve emotional blockages and promote a sense of openness. Ardha Chandrasana improves body to mind connection, bringing balance to the physical body and the mental state of mind. This can help to release stagnant energy in the heart center. The spinal toning in this pose helps relax the nervous system and calm the mind. The pose enhances blood circulation, which can help nourish the heart chakra, can help reduce stress and anxiety by calming the mind and releasing happy hormones. Our next asana is Natarajasana, the dancer pose. Helps activate the Anahata Chakra, the heart chakra, by opening the chest and heart region, promoting emotional balance and increasing lung capacity. Natarajasana enhances heart and lung health, relaxes the mind and body, strengthens the legs, shoulders, back, and psoas, which can improve balance and stability, contributing to a sense of groundedness. The backward bending of the pose opens the chest and shoulders, increasing the flow of prana, the life force, to the heart center. Natarajasana can help release pent-up emotions and negative energy, creating space for new positive energy. Associated with cosmic dance of Shiva, promoting a sense of spiritual awakening and connection to the heart center. Moving on to our next asana, Garudasana, the eagle arms. Garudasana naturally stretches the chest and opens the heart space. Holding the pose can encourage the release of stored emotions and tension in the chest area, potentially leading to a sense of emotional freedom and lightness. The balancing in Garudasana can promote a sense of groundedness and stability. Our next asana that activates Anahata Chakra is Anjaneyasana. Anjaneyasana expands the chest and shoulders, allowing for deeper breathing and increased circulation, which can help to release tension and stimulate the Anahata energy. Anjaneyasana opens the hips, which can be a place where we store emotional and physical tension. By opening the hips, we can release these blocks. The increased space in the heart and improved circulation from Anjaneyasana asana can enhance the flow of prana, life force energy. As the hips open, it can release negative emotions and allow for the opening of the heart chakra, which is the center of universal love and self love. Our next asana is Ustrasana that activates Anahata Chakra. The back bend in Ustrasana opens the chest, which is physical location of the heart chakra, allowing for more expansive flow of energy. By opening the chest, Ustrasana can help release tension and emotional blockages that can be stored in the chest area. Ustrasana strengthens the back and core muscles while also increasing flexibility in the chest and shoulders, making it a physically emotionally beneficial pose. The back bend in Ustrasana can improve circulation, which can further enhance the flow of energy and support the activation of heart chakra, the Anahata Chakra. Moving to our next asana, cow pose, also known as Bithilasana, helps activate the Anahata Chakra by promoting a gentle rhythmic stretch in the upper body, particularly the chest, back, and shoulders, which can release tension and create space in the heart center. Cow pose, with its back arch, opens up the chest, allowing for deeper breathing and promoting a sense of expansion and freedom. The gentle stretch can release tension and stiffness in the shoulders. The movement of the spine in cow pose massages the spine, promoting flexibility and releasing any stagnant energy. Our next asana is Salambha Bhujang Asana, also known as the Sphinx pose. The Sphinx pose stretches the chest and front of the body, which helps to open the Anahata Chakra. By engaging the back muscles, the Sphinx pose strengthens the spine, supporting the activation of Anahata Chakra, improves respiratory function, stimulating the adrenal glands and kidneys. Anahata, also known as the heart melting pose or extended puppy pose, activates the Anahata Chakra, also known as the heart chakra, by opening the heart area, promoting energy flow and potentially releasing emotional blockages. Anahata Asana stretches the chest muscles, helping to expand the chest and open up the heart area, which is associated with the Anahata Chakra. The pose also stretches the spine, making it strong and supple and supports its proper functioning. Anahata Asana can also help to increase and regulate the flow of prana in the body, boosting overall energy levels. Our next asana is Salabhasana, also known as the locust pose. Salabhasana is a back bend, helps alleviate emotional pain and stiffness, fostering a sense of connection and openness. Also stimulates the Vishuddha chakra, the throat chakra, which is associated with communication, expression, and self-confidence, which will be our next chakra. So subscribe to the channel as we are doing series on activating all our chakras. If you have missed the previous videos, do check out the link in the description, and as you practice, do comment below on how it goes for you and how you have benefited from the asanas if you have experienced your chakras getting activated. The back bend in Salabhasana also strengthens the spine and the lower back, improves posture and increases flexibility, leading to a more balanced and grounded physical experience. Our next asana will be Chakrasana, the wheel pose. Chakrasana is a powerful back bend that deeply opens the chest and stretches the spine, fostering a sense of spaciousness and allowing for the free flow of energy through the heart center. The Anahata Chakra is located in the center of the chest. By opening the chest, Chakrasana helps to release any blockages or tension in this chakra. The back bend in Chakrasana can also help to release pent-up emotions and stress, strengthened back and core muscles. Besides its impact on chakras, Chakrasana also provides numerous physical benefits, including increased flexibility, strengthened back and core muscles, and enhanced spinal health. Our next asana is Matsyasana, the fish pose. By pushing the chest forward and upward, it can help to release tension and stress in the chest, heart, and shoulder areas, facilitating the flow of energy. The deep controlled breathing practiced in Matsyasana activates the parasympathetic nervous system, promoting relaxation and reducing stress hormones level. Matsyasana helps to stimulate blood flow throughout the body, including the heart and lungs. Moving on to Setu Bandhasana. The back bend in Setu Bandhasana helps to expand the chest cavity, allowing for deeper and more relaxed breathing. Deep mindful breathing during this pose activates the parasympathetic nervous system, which promotes relaxation and reduces stress. Check out all the chakra activation in the description below. Our last and extremely important asana, Shavasana, also known as corpse pose, must be done at the end of every yoga session because it acts as a crucial moment for deep relaxation, allowing the body to integrate the benefits of the practice by releasing tension, calming the mind, and resetting the nervous system, effectively bringing you to the state of deep rest and grounding after the active movements of the yoga sequence. So I hope it was an useful tutorial on how to activate Anahata Chakra, the heart chakra, through yoga asanas. Do like the video and subscribe for more useful and amazing yoga asanas in future. See you next time.